how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Recently picked this up as a curb alert tip from my friend Quinn the mailman. Went over to go pick it up, found a spreader, gave the spreader to my neighbor because I'm a good guy like that and he desperately needs one. Picked this Echo PB-255 off the street. The owner was there and he said it worked. Much to my dismay, when I got home, I sprayed a little bit of, well, I put gas in it, 2-stroke, sprayed some stuff in it, tried to pull it, never heard it turn over. As a matter of fact, while I was pulling it, it seemed like something was wrong in the engine. After pulling it some more, I felt like something collapsed inside. Like the connecting rod was dislodged from the piston or the crankshaft, something like that. Never heard anything, so instead of just trying to sell this locally for 10 bucks, 20 bucks, I saw the parts on eBay for this 255, and the parts like the flywheel and stuff, kind of expensive. And curiosity wise, I want to know what's wrong with it. So I'm gonna take this all apart and figure out exactly why it's not, what broke in the engine. So I'm going to do a time lapse and remove it up to the vital parts, and then we'll show you exactly why this thing won't start. Okay, it wasn't very, didn't take very long at all. Taking it apart, I put some of the halves together because I'm selling this lower housing all by itself, right? So it's a 3-piece thing, put it together. Selling the gas tank, the collar to the chute, the flywheel fan, recoil starter, 3 pieces of the trigger group with the handle. And that thing, I don't know what it is. This is the muffler guard cover cage. And believe it or not, well, I'll show you the linkage, carburetor, magneto ignition coil, and the heat and the air cleaner box. This actually goes for some money, like $25–30, something like that. That goes for about 15 or 20. This goes for cheap, but it's OEM, so somebody may want to put the OEM one. The flywheels are usually like $20–30. And here is the engine block. I put the muffler back on again. I figured, you know, to sell it all together with it. The pawls on the crankshaft, the spacer for the carburetor, spark plug, and all the bolts and nuts that's used to put it together. So when the muffler was off, I looked at the piston and it was smooth and clean and perfect. There was nothing wrong with the engine. So what gave way when I was pulling it, that feeling that I had when it gave way, that's right, the flywheel key is sheared. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's what was wrong with this, is that it has a sheared flywheel key. But the key is molded onto the flywheel. So you can't just like change the key. You got to buy a whole new flywheel. So that's what was wrong with this blower, was that it was out of timing due to the flywheel key being sheared. So I wasn't gonna go and pay $20, $30 to put this all together again with a new flywheel just to make $80 for this old blower. It's not worth the time. I'd make more money by selling each part individually. But we did find out that this engine is absolutely fine. And I'll try to sell the engine for 30, 40, 50 bucks, something like that, you know. And of course I can't sell this because the flywheel key is busted. But anyway, we found out what was wrong with it. It's pretty simple, to be honest with you. It wasn't a big deal, you know. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to try to sell all this stuff on eBay and see if I get about 100 bucks out of it. Even if it takes me a year or two to sell it, I have it in my listings. I'll eventually sell these parts. So thanks a lot for joining me on this Echo PB-255 leaf blower disassemble and tear down to figure out the problem why. A $20 flywheel was all we needed. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.